Not only do we have the results of this statewide survey, we are also able to raise these questions with the man in charge of turning CenturyLink Field Event Center into a field hospital, what the Chief of Staff of the Army had to say in a moment.
First, Survey USA asked 600 Washington adults, how concerned are you personally that if you get sick from the coronavirus and require hospitalization, your local hospital may be too full and may not have room for you? A significant number, 33%, said they are extremely concerned that they will get coronavirus, they'll need a hospital bed, and one won't be available. That's where CenturyLink Field Event Center comes in. You can see how this place has been transformed into an Army field hospital. It's not for coronavirus patients. Instead, it's for other medical needs, and it's a full hospital with an OR, x-ray machines, and a blood bank. Today, General James McConville visited the site and said what they're doing here will help overwhelmed hospitals very soon.
We're talking over the next couple of days. They're set up right now. They're working through the file coordination to really take the pressure off some of the hospitals in this area and take the non-COVID patients and allow the hospitals in Seattle to focus on COVID patients.
General McConville said what the Army's doing will provide about 250 field hospital beds. In Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.
Natalie, thank you. Our exclusive poll also asked people if they approve of the governor's handling of the crisis. A quarter selected strongly approve and 42% approve. You can see the full results on our website. You can also just text the keyword poll to 206-448-4545 and we'll send you a direct link.